Alright guys, so we got the car out here. My man done hooked it up here. I appreciate it, bro.
Of course, man.
Let's show them what it look like.
We got Mitchell's tinting up here in the shop today.
We're just gonna put a pro charge on it.
Gotta hit up this, man. You got two out there, you're in the tent. Can't say what they are.
Welcome back to the channel. So today we're over at Speed Demons paint shop. We're picking up the Beamer. I got my boy Drip and Drift with me.
Good.
He's over here hanging out.
I'm excited to see what it's gonna look like. That flake.
Yeah, it's gonna be sick. So homeboy went over there to get it. So we're just waiting on him and we're gonna get this thing loaded up, take it back to the shop. Let's go. All right guys, so we got the car out here. My man done hooked it up here. I appreciate it, bro.
Of course, man.
Let's show them what it look like. There it is. Man, look at this thing. You can see the flake in it. Yeah, this thing came out super nice. Oh, what do you think?
So sick.
Yeah, it looks good.
Dude, and it's, what is, like, what'd you use on top of the blue? Like, not the clear coat, but like, it is flake,
yeah,
right?
That's the pearl in the paint.
The pearl.
Yeah.
Dude.
It's like a blue pearl. When the light hits it, it turns into a bright light. Metallic.
Yeah, it's almost like a cloud, like the sky, dude.
Wherever the light stream goes, when the sun is out, 'cause it's blocked by clouds,
Yeah.
it's gonna be a metallic show. Speed Demons Auto Body.
Speed Demons Auto Body. I'm gonna put all their stuff in the description if you guys want to come by, get an estimate on your car. This is definitely a place to be.
Yeah, we love that.
Yep. Oh yeah, let's go. Guys, so we're back at the shop and look what we picked up. So we got this thing picked up. I guess they had accidentally hit the door with a hose and they had to redo the door, and we redid the bottom down here. Everything is super nice and this thing is just in time. It's what, Thursday today, so I gotta work tomorrow and then we're gonna leave for Tampa FuelFest. And that's going to be all day Saturday at the Tampa Fairgrounds, I think. And we're going to start driving about 12 or 1 o'clock. It's going to go all the way through 8 o'clock at night. We're going to be giving ride-alongs. I got no stickers on this car, but we're going anyway. So they actually painted the mirrors as well. They're not on here. I do have them in the car, but this thing is absolutely dusted. If you can see, there's all kinds of dust and dirt in here because we had to take the sunroof panel out, so we don't have that anymore. But it's actually kind of cool because you can see down in the car, and I don't know, Probably might be hot a little bit, but I was thinking maybe I could put like a piece of plexiglass on here and then put some PPF over that, and then that'll protect the plexiglass from turning yellow or any of that. But man, this paint job is just fire. Speed Demons, Daytona, you gotta go there. That's and Flippa Finishes, that's who provided the paint and the clear and all that, and we gotta thank them. But we're gonna get this thing cleaned up, get it off the trailer, take it inside, vacuum this thing out, wipe it down, kind of clean it up, put the mirrors back on. So I don't know, let's get to it.
Hope it never stops. We could do it all over. Thrill is bringing us closer. Superstar, you're like Nova. Oh, so incredible one time. Gotta let it go tonight. Wanna know what it feels like. Yeah, we going up. We take it down. Let's spice it up.
Trying to put these mirrors on the car, and I had to end up gluing them because they come apart. If you notice how easy they come apart, so look at this. It just literally snap apart like that. So I'm gonna take a bunch of silicone and stuff it down in here and glue it in there and try to get this thing to hold. So I already did this side, so it's just gotta dry overnight. So I'm gonna leave that there, and then I'll put the rest back on tomorrow. But I don't know, moving right along. Already got the whole car cleaned out on the inside. I'll probably do it again tomorrow with like a wet towel. It's got a lot of like white powder, like dust everywhere, but I've wiped it off for the most part, getting everything together. Everything for FuelFest is already ready. So we just gotta wait, load the car. Gonna pick up Georgie on the way there. Probably leave 7 a.m. Saturday morning. I'm gonna already be loaded up and ready to go. But I don't know. Let's get back to fixing these mirrors. Let's go. Wipe down the whole car on the inside. I think we are about ready for FuelFest. Spiker's gonna come over here tomorrow, and we're gonna change the spark plugs together. We're gonna put some brand new NGKs in there. I sprayed these grills off, and they're out of the car right now, but I got them. They're outside. Touched those up with spray paint. I touched up the back area here with some paint a little bit. Just down here a little bit. There was some kind of scratches or whatever, but overall, this thing looks mint. Look at that. Look at the flake in it. You can see that on camera. It looks really good. So the car is all clean, ready for FuelFest. I think December was the last event that I drove, so I'm excited to get back out on the track. But that's it for tonight, guys. We're gonna get out of here. Be sure to comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you at FuelFest. Let's go.
Watch my back and also front. You chop it off, I pick it up. Pockets a mean one. Heavy like machine guns. Talking like they heard about me, they ain't never seen one. You ain't really about it, I can see it through the screen, son. Taking limit lane, busters never trust it. Like you want it, my opponents never on it. I ain't thinking about tomorrow, only thinking about the moment. Feel the rush from the buck jump. 20s in my loaded trunk. Watch me make another hit. Yeah, I'm tripping off that funk jump like you want it. My opponent's never on it. I ain't thinking about tomorrow, only thinking about the moment. Feel the rush from the butt jump. 20s in my loaded trunk. Watch me make